Alex the Rail Fanning Redneck here. We're going to do another fire alarm tour. This time with the Lego building. We have an STI glass breaker with a Wheelock ZNS, rebranded by Siemens. Giant Hulk model right here. Let's see. There's another Wheelock ZNS over there. Ooh, look at these. These are cool. I'm just trying to make it look like I'm doing a Lego tour, but I'm really doing a fire alarm tour. A Faraday MS51 right there is actually Siemens. Here we have a screen right here. Another Wheelock ZNS. Let's see. Another STI glass breaker and Wheelock ZNS. Excuse me. There's actually nothing else on here. Wow, so that was a really quick fire alarm tour of the Lego building at Disney Springs, because there's, in reality, nothing over there. So, that was a quick fire alarm tour of the Lego building at Disney Springs.